You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I know it's a word from science that is confusing indeed. It's the name of an animal. If you want to learn more confusing animal names, Latin, scientific, stay tuned. Two different pronunciations in English: fasciola, fasciola, or fasciola. That also exists. So fasciola sounds more Latin. Fasciola is the more English pronunciation, but both pronunciations are correct. How to pronounce fasciola or fasciola, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.